I was this very skinny young boy with curly hair and endless dreams. A 12th standard science student who did not choose engineering or medicine. Let's start from there. I've seen successful people talk about that one big moment that changed their life. But I don't think I can pinpoint to one particular moment like that, because for me, I have always faced roadblocks at every significant turn in my life. And I constantly had to push myself to find a way around it. I kind of realized my passion is for art, and I opened up to my parents and they showed the courtesy to let me do what I want. That's one of the reasons why I'm sitting here as an actor. So I joined for this course called Visual Communication, and that's when the passion for cinema got into my head and I decided this is what I'm gonna do. I didn't know where to start. Nobody thought I would be an actor because I do not fit into the popular perception of what an actor should look like. But things took a different turn. I went for this audition and I got through. And I thought I've made it. But unfortunately, the movie did not do really well. So I had to wait. I started doing small roles till I got my first break in Drishyam. And then people started noticing me. Because the movie was such a big hit, I got so many offers back to back, and somehow all the movies that I was a part of in a year became a success. Like back to back hits. They considered me a lucky charm, and I even got cast in a few movies for that reason. It was a joyride for a couple of years, but then I started feeling stagnant because apparently my breakthrough character was funny, and they only wanted me to do funny roles. It's not that I don't like comedy, I love comedy, but getting stuck in an image was a nightmare to me. So I started denying random roles and I waited for some inspiring characters. And then a handful of good characters came my way. It was worth the wait. I got what I wanted. I felt that growth personally. It's easy to judge people and put them into a certain category and convince you that this is all what you can do. And sometimes you tend to believe that. Deep inside, I knew I can do more, I can do better. And that's when I got this random call from a casting company in Mumbai. They asked me to do an audition for a Hindi web series. When you are an actor and when you're sort of established, you don't want to do an audition anymore. But if I had thought like that, I wouldn't even have known what I would have missed. So I did the audition, I got my part. In a couple of months, I started shooting for The Family Man. This was something that I haven't done before. This was a 10-episode series. And this was a character that demanded quite a lot of dedication. So I thought to invest my time completely into this. I decided to take a break from Malayalam for a while. That was a tough period. People started asking, where is this guy? He's disappeared suddenly. He's not getting movies anymore. I even heard people talk that his career is over. But they didn't know that my career was only about to begin. A year and a half later, Family Man got released worldwide with incredible reviews. And the kind of reception I got for playing Musa Rahman was unbelievable. You're out of the picture for over a year, but then you come back with a bang and suddenly you're a pan-Indian actor. That was an overwhelming feeling. I know my journey has just begun and I have a long way to go. But I wouldn't have made it this far if I had listened to those regressive advices back then. So let me conclude with this quote from my favorite movie, Pursuit of Happiness. You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves, they tell you can't do it. If you want something, go get it. Period. I'm glad to be a part of this #selfmade campaign by Philips India, started by Virat Kohli. I hope my story inspires you to believe in yourself and chase your dreams. If you have an inspiring story, no matter small or big, post it with an image or a video and tag Philips India with the #selfmade. Inspire and get inspired. Thank you.